This is how to do a merge sort. Now recursively, we're going to get the middle index and split the array in two. So the left will be 3 and 4, and the right will be 5 and 2. Then we do this again. The left splits to 3 and 4, and the right side will split to 5 and just 2. At this level, we hit our base case, and notice all of these arrays are sorted because they just have one element. Now the act of splitting the arrays in two is what we call the divide step. Now we need to do what is called the conquer step, and this is to merge each of the arrays together. So to sort 3 and 4, well, that's pretty easy. That's already sorted. But to sort 5 and 2, we would need to flip their order. Now we need to do this again, and more precisely, we'd have an index 1 and an index j. So the first element we'd want to use is the 2, and then we move over j. Then we'd want to use the 3, and so we can move over I. We then use the 4 and move over I, and we finally use the 5, and now we have a sorted array. Follow me for more.